Every time you download a new app, your phone asks for permissions. Access to your camera, your location, your contacts. Most of the time, we barely glance at them, just tapping allow to get to the good stuff. But what if one of those requests, seemingly innocent, is actually a golden key, capable of unlocking your entire digital life and handing it over to a hacker? This isn't just about data theft. It's about complete control, leading to identity theft, financial ruin, and total invasion of your privacy. So, how exactly do hackers trick you into giving them this master key? They don't just brute force their way in. They rely on deception and social engineering. Their primary methods include malicious apps from third-party sources. They often distribute malware through unofficial app stores, shady websites, or direct download links in phishing messages. These apps are disguised as legitimate tools like a free VPN, a system cleaner, a unique wallpaper app, or even a cracked version of a popular paid app. Once installed, they immediately request the accessibility service permission, often with a seemingly plausible but misleading explanation. Social engineering. They might send you a convincing text message or email, perhaps pretending to be your bank, a shipping company, or a government agency, urging you to click a link and download an urgent update or required app. These links lead directly to their malware. Financial theft. They can literally see you open your banking app. They can then perform screen overlays to steal your login credentials, or even automatically click buttons to initiate transfers, add new beneficiaries, or pay bills without your direct knowledge. They can intercept two-factor authentication codes sent via SMS. Data exfiltration and surveillance. Every piece of information displayed on your screen, every text message received, every contact stored, can be read and sent back to the hacker. They can activate your camera or microphone for live surveillance, turning your phone into an espionage tool. Impersonation and further exploitation. With access to your messages and contacts, they can impersonate you, sending fraudulent messages to your friends and family, spreading the malware further, or tricking your loved ones into sending money. Device takeover. They can install ransomware, locking you out of your phone until you pay a ransom. They can change your passwords, factory reset your device, or simply brick it. Some even deploy keyloggers that record every single keystroke you make across all apps. We've seen real-world examples of this. Flubot malware. In the past few years, Android users in the US and Europe were hit by Flubot, a banking malware that relied heavily on tricking users into enabling accessibility service. It could then steal banking credentials, intercept SMS messages, including one-time passcodes, and even self-propagate by sending phishing texts to contacts. Adware and spyware. Many less sophisticated but still highly annoying malware variants use this permission to inject persistent ads across your entire device, or secretly collect extensive data for ad profiling. These often masquerade as cleaner or optimization apps. The good news amidst this stark reality is that you are not powerless. By being informed and proactive, you can significantly reduce your risk.